Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Lynn, for those of you new. I am so excited to bring you the final video of this whole series that I've been documenting this past summer and fall. For those of you who do not know, we were working on this house that I'm standing in for some of our friends. It's their vacation home and they live in Ohio, so they are coming down here for Christmas and that was our deadline. We had some things that had to wait until later on, so we were working up until the week of Christmas pretty much, but we got it done and we're so excited to have them come in here and just see the place. They've seen a few sneak peeks here and there, but I just hope it can be a place that they love to relax in and host friends and family in. We live in Sarasota, Florida, for those of you new. So I'm gonna try and put in some before footage and then how it looks right now, just to give you a little bit of a better look at where it's come from, I guess. I do hope you enjoyed the video. I'll just try and kind of give you a tour. I'll try to say where at least some of the bigger pieces are from, and I'll try to link as much stuff down below as I can. So make sure you check out the description box for stuff like that. All right, I am gonna get started in the front entrance, and also it's a little overcast today, so I'm gonna have to use the indoor lighting. I also wanted to mention, this is our first house that we furnished and decorated for someone else besides just our own. I love decorating, so this was a really good learning experience for me and it's been fun. I've been tired. I am currently, at the time of filming, I'm like 38 weeks pregnant. So you're not seeing this until probably after my baby is born, most likely, but it's been a really fun experience and it's something that my husband and I would love to get into more. He is working on getting his real estate license and we don't know what the future holds. So this was a really good experience. I'm so thankful they let us try it and they were willing to trust us on it. So I just wanted to throw that in there for those of you who have been wondering. So this is the front entrance. We left the door as is and these tiles stayed put as well. So I just added a rug and a little sign here from Hobby Lobby, just says hello. Also a little step stool from Ikea. So looking into the living room, I will show you guys what it looked like before. Everything was just kind of tan, yellow, really dark. And they chose these floors. I am not sure on what it's actually called, but you literally lay them in. I don't think you have to even add any adhesive. We did not lay the floors or do the trim ourselves. Thank goodness. They came all the way from Ohio to do it, and so they did a fabulous job. And we had someone else paint the house for us. All right, so a few things I might mention is the sofa came from Rooms to Go, and this little stand. You'll find a lot of my decorations came from Home Goods or TJ Maxx or Target for the most part. The coffee table is from Target. It is the Bennington coffee table. And then the rug is one that I love. I think it's probably my favorite in the whole house. I'd been eyeing this thing and I thought it would work perfectly with the coastal modern feel that I've got going on, or trying to have going on here. It's probably not completely truly coastal modern, but this has some like blues, grays, tans, cream, and it is from Rugs USA. All my large rugs are from there and I really love that site. I have purchased some for my home and I've worked with them in the past and I just really love them. They're always running sales and stuff, so definitely check them out for very good affordable rugs. So the tree here is from At Home. This was a little bit of a splurge, but I can't really use any real plants in here since, you know, people don't live here all the time. So I had to go with a lot of faux stuff. And these chairs were actually, funny story guys, were supposed to be navy, but they are not navy. And I ordered them off of Sam's Club and I knew they wouldn't be a bright navy, but they came in their charcoal. So beware. I have not had good experiences buying blue furniture online, let me tell you. So moving up onto the wall here, I picked up a lot of my art at Home Goods. This is really pretty. I just love this scene. And this one is, yeah, just something that fits into the space really nicely, as well as the little rattan side table was from there as well. All right, just swiveling around here, this big console entertainment center is from Home Goods, and I put a basket over here because I was trying to hide the router and the wires and stuff, so this is kind of what I ended up with. It was one that I'd found thrifted and everything. Moving into the dining room, this table is from Ikea, and the two end chairs are from Ikea as well. These white ones are from Target, and I ordered the table runner off of Amazon. All right, going back into the kitchen. If you guys remember, this kitchen used to be a really kind of yellow color, and my dad actually took the doors home and sprayed them white. Now, I will say it does look a little cream right now because of the lighting, so I apologize for that. But it definitely brightened up the space so much. I am not sure, are they gonna do something with the backsplash yet? The owners, they might. I think they talked about doing something, because personally I don't really like the combination there, but we just left it for now, and if they wanna do something with it, they can. The white just tremendously helped it, along with just freshening up the walls. The walls in here are white pepper by Behr, in case you're wondering. And then swiveling over here into this little, I'm gonna call it family room area. It was a bit hard to kind of figure out how to work with this curve here, but I ended up going with the Ektorp sofa and love seat from Ikea. And just because it's affordable, as well as it just feels a little bit more beachy, coastal. I did find this picture at Home Goods again. My mom actually has one over in her house as well. The pillows are from Walmart. They actually match the rug really nicely. I was pretty happy about that. I love the coffee table. It is from Home Goods. I just added a throw blanket because I love throw blankets, and it's just nice to have something to cozy up to. And I added a little fiddly fig there in the corner. I believe that one was from Home Goods as well. Swiveling over here, this is the Ikea Vittsjo shelf. I have one like it in my house, and I really love it. It's just a very versatile piece. I won't go into a lot of detail. I did show how I was styling it in my previous video, the decorating one. So if you're curious about more details, you can go watch that video. I will show you guys the entry closet. This used to have some doors on it. Some of the walls in here are at an angle, including this closet here, the kitchen, and the living room. So they had to kind of work with what they had here, but I just added a little bench and a basket and some hooks. And we also have a laundry room over here. We really didn't do much in here. I just kind of left it. The washer and dryer aren't hooked up yet at this point. This goes out to the garage and everything. Alright, so in the master bedroom, this is an ensuite, so it has a bathroom going out that direction, and then this is a little room that has an outside entrance in there, but we did not get that finished, so possibly at a later date. The owners decided to keep the furniture that was here, so we're working with the bedroom furniture, and it actually doesn't look too bad here with the dark wall. She wanted a navy wall, and this is, I believe, Serpent by Sherwin. But I picked out a duvet from Ikea, and also this rug is Rugs USA again. It's a very common rug you see a lot of people have, but it is a 9x12 just for reference because this is a king size bed. The shams here, the Euro shams, are actually from Amazon. And so if you're looking for some affordable options, I looked for a while and I finally ended up just going with white. And they're just really nice and fresh looking, I feel like. I just wanted to keep it kind of airy and open. It would have been nice to add a chair over in the corner, but you know, sometimes you just gotta stop with what you have. Swiveling around here, we have a closet in here. And also I put a mirror up here just so they have a full-length mirror. The bathroom is nothing too elaborate, but she also chose the navy for in here. So I just got a simple shower curtain and a little bath mat, as well as another rug over here from Target. And we kept the same mirrors in both bathrooms, the lighting, just to kind of save and keep things easy. So I put another, actually this is a beach towel, but I thought it fit well in the bathroom, so I just hung that one there. And hopefully that'll work well for them. All right, so I'll just take you over to the other side of the house again. So the first bedroom here, I decided to kind of keep it a little bit more fun and boho. If you guys know my style, this is a little bit more what I lean towards. I love mid-century modern boho stuff. So while this isn't really completely like that, I wanted it to be fun. They actually have 6 children, and they have quite a few girls, like 4 girls, so I decided why not make them a little space that is kind of more fun and a little bit girly. I bought this bed off of Amazon, I believe, and then I found 2 pictures at HomeGoods. I love those. I just think they're fun and kind of unique and yet really simple and classic. I did find this duvet cover off of Amazon again. I found these furry, fluffy pillows, really soft, at HomeGoods. And my favorite sheets. These are from Target. I have all the Threshold Target brand on all of the beds. They're 100% cotton, I believe. I really love these little lamps. I found these at HomeGoods. And the nightstands are HomeGoods as well. The rug is another very common one you see, and it is from Rugs USA, of course. Alright, so I want to show you guys this chair. This was back in the little back room off of the master bedroom. And I never really gave it a thought about using it in here, but my mom saw it. She was like, hey, why don't you put it in here? And I was like, well, that's true, maybe I could. And I think it adds just a cute little fun vintage flair to it. It just gives some extra seating. I did find this pillow at Hobby Lobby, and I just think it's really cute. Moving down the hall, here is the bathroom. I didn't do a whole lot in here. I feel like the bathrooms were a little bit of an afterthought, but we didn't really do much to them at all. Basically just painted. And I put a rug in here and a little bit of art. This was, I think, the HomeGoods as well. This one, and then the one on the other side here. So I just kept it pretty simple. This was a Walmart towel. For this linen closet, I decided to leave the closet door off and display some baskets. I have their towels and washcloths and some toilet paper in here. The rest of the baskets are empty, so if they need space even for, you know, beach towels and whatnot, they could do that. So moving into the third bedroom, this one is pretty simple as well, and it does have an access to their sunroom here in the back. I guess I didn't show you guys this yet, but they have like a sunroom back here, and so the previous owners, I believe, were able to put some people in this room, which is why there is a sink in the room, kind of like a cabinet. We decided to just leave that in there. Lamar thought it was okay. So there's a closet and a little sink. Actually, it would be really nice to have an extra place just, you know, when you're getting ready with lots of people. That could be kind of handy. The bedding is from Target, and this is a jute rug from Rugs USA again. And I found a little, actually it's an outdoor table here that is from Marshalls, I believe, but I thought it could work in here. And then I found some fun art. This is also very me, and I just thought it gave a little bit of a coastal vibe. This was from Hobby Lobby. As well as the other shelf over here. Keeping it really, really simple in here. I didn't overdo it or anything. I didn't want to like fill it so full because obviously it's a lot harder to clean, and I just wanted to feel open and airy. I feel like it turned out really nicely. I really enjoy this type of thing. It was a stretch for me, but it taught me quite a lot of things, and I feel like I learned from it, and there's definitely some lessons I can take with me for maybe the next project. You never know. That is going to complete the tour of the house. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and stay tuned for more videos. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a lot of this type of thing right away with the newborn, but make sure you are subscribed and have the notification bell on. That is going to be it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.